Hey guys, good night. It is 7:51 and I'm gonna be doing a clean with me closing shift. It's 7:51 p.m. So I'm just gonna kind of get the kitchen and the living room kind of clean so that I could just head in and be at peace. And then when I wake up in the morning, it's going to be clean and ready to start a new day. I haven't posted in a while, and that is because I am back at work. And when I was posting, I think I was on some vacation. So now I'm back at work, and I have not been posting as often. And yeah, so I'm sorry about that. But it's not that I forgot about you guys. It's just that I was busy. So let us put on our headphones and get into resetting the living room and kitchen before we head in for the night. Let's get into it. By the way, I am watching / listening to Jamie's journey cleaning video just for a little bit of extra inspiration while I clean.
Say what, yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Say what. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. The very first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't can spot my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make it my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love, my love.
Hey guys, I just finished cleaning. It is 8:46 p.m. and it's almost an hour. I would say an hour since I started cleaning. So I'm sweaty and I've been just watching Jamie's journey, listening to all the way, and it just really has inspired me to keep going as much as I just wanted to call it quits. So happy I get to fulfill the two main goals that I set for tonight, which was to reset the kitchen and the living room. And I know I'm gonna be a happy person in the morning, knowing I don't have to clean the kitchen or the living room. Thank you guys so much for keeping my company tonight. Um, and you can use this really to keep your company if you are in the mood to clean at night. It's the best time, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed. Thank you guys for joining me on this video. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet because you never know the impact that they will have on your life. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the weekend.